Most houses give you one big view, but this one, it keeps changing. The Sea of Cortez over here, and the mountains over here.
And the house sits right between them. This is Casa Alta Clara, above Los Barriles, in Las Brisas, and the best way to understand it isn't by standing still. You have to move through it. Come with me, because this entire level is basically one continuous space. The living room, dining area, and kitchen stretch across more than 11 meters. But what matters isn't the number. It's that almost nothing interrupts the connection between the interior and the terrace. You can be cooking here and still be looking straight through the house toward the landscape.
This is where I will start most of my dates, and definitely where I will end most of them too.
And this is what makes the setting interesting. Walk a few meters and the entire landscape changes. Ocean disappears, desert opens up, then the mountains take over. And the bedrooms get the same treatment. Water from here, mountains from here. The views weren't saved for the living room. They're built into the way you move through the bedrooms too. The interior stays simple. Wood, dark stone, gray tile. Nothing is competing with what you see outside. Now this is where the house gets more interesting. Downstairs isn't simply a bedroom level. There's another primary suite, another bedroom, another kitchen, laundry, and direct garage access. So the lower floor can live very differently from the one above it. One primary suite upstairs, another one down here. That changes the house more than you might think. Because if family comes down for 2 weeks, nobody has to give up their own space. If guests stay longer, they aren't living in the middle of your daily routine. And if you're here alone, you don't have to use the entire house at once. And then Alta Clara does something else. There's another building, about 45 square meters. Bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, laundry, and completely separate from the main house. This isn't an extra bedroom, it's its own little house. From the air, the layout finally becomes obvious. Main residence here, Casita here, open land around them, sea in one direction, Sierra in the other. There are also 2 double garages, solar power and inverter air conditioning throughout. Those aren't the glamorous shots, but if you actually live in Baja, they're the details you start caring about very quickly. And after you've walked through the whole property, somehow you end up right back here.
Because this is where the whole house makes sense. You have the Sea of Cortez here, and the mountains behind the property.
I actually knew this place before Casa Alta Clara existed. The owner was living in Spa Buena Vista and was looking for something unfinished, something he could take on and make his own. This property already had a structure, but it wasn't complete. He worked with his friend Rafael Ponce, a local contractor, and gradually turned it into what you're seeing today. And I think that's why the house feels the way it does. It wasn't designed around a marketing concept. It evolved around this particular piece of land. Then the sun goes down and Alta Clara changes again. During the day, everything is about the landscape. At night, you start noticing the house itself.
I have seen this house at several different stages, and I think the finished house got the most important thing right. It doesn't try to compete with what it is around.
This is Casa Alta Clara, Las Brisas, Los Barriles.